Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome comparison video. Yeah, by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Honor Magic 8 Pro versus the Apple iPhone 6s. War from 2015. 10 years smartphone evolution. Imagine a smartphone from 2015 going head to head with a 2026 flagship Beat. Maybe we can get some points for the iPhone, huh? Today we are a comparison video about the most iconic old phones, the iPhone 6s, against ultra modern powerhouse. And trust me, the difference is absolutely instant. Let's dive into it, yeah? The iPhone 6s features a compact 4.7-inch aluminum design, Touch ID, thick bezels, and that classic Apple simplicity. It's lightweight, pocket-friendly, and still feels premium for its time. But next to the Honor Magic 8 Pro, it looks almost like a museum piece. Yeah, the Magic 8 Pro brings huge 6.71 inches edge display, ultra-thin bezels, modern glass and premium frame, IP6869 water resistance, and the iPhone 6s again feels nostalgic. Echt, the Magic 8 Pro feels futuristic. Really, isn't it? 4.7 inches against nearly 7. Okay, let's go to the display. The iPhone 6s uses a 750p Retina LCD display. That's sharp enough in 2015, but very limited by today's standards. The Honor destroys completely. The OLED panel, FHD Plus resolution, up to 6000 nits peak brightness, built-in color support. In direct sunlight, the Magic 8 Pro is basically a different lead. The performance area. The iPhone 6s runs on the Apple A9 chip with 2 GB of RAM. Back in the days, fast today, extremely limited. Meanwhile, the Magic 8 Pro peaks Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5. Up to a lot of RAM, 16 I think. Flagship level AI processing. Apps open instantly. Heavy gaming runs smoothly. Multitasking feels effortless. This is not even a fair fight anymore, of course, huh? Okay, let's go to the camera, huh? We do it. The iPhone 6s has a single 12 megapixel rear camera. A single. It can take decent photos in good lighting, but that's about it. The Honor comes with 200 megapixel telephoto camera, 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, advanced AI night photography, 3.7 times optical zoom, extreme digital zoom, daylight, sharp, night shots, instantly detailed, zoom, not even comparable. You see, the winner is, again, the modern battery and charging. The iPhone 6s has a 1715 mAh battery and slow charging. Realistically, you need a daily charge or more. The Magic 8 Pro, 7000 plus mAh battery, 100 watt fast charging, 80 watt wireless charging, full charge in minutes versus hours. Okay, let's go to software and features. Maybe there we can make a point for the Apple device. The iPhone 6s runs up to an older iOS version with no modern AI features, limited apps, and outdated hardware support, but without AI features. So maybe this is a good point. It's not artificial intelligence on that phone. This is a plus point, I think. Mostly. Magic 8 runs Magic Operating System 10. This is Android 16 with AI tools, 3 face unlock, advanced multitasking, modern ecosystem integration. And the winner is maybe the iPhone or the other phone. You can choose, okay? The iPhone 6s is a legendary smartphone that shaped the industry. But against the Honor Magic 8 Pro, it's like comparing VHS against 8K streaming or something else, or a classic car against an electric hypercar. The iPhone 6s is a nostalgic king, of course. The Magic 8 Pro is a full future flagship experience. So the real question is, how far have smartphones come in 10 years? Isn't it? And I think it is a good journey to the Honor today. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback to see you again on my channel. Sun.